Hi, this is Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz C-Class C300 4MATIC. This has a gray exterior with a black interior. Sunroof. Blind spot assist. Coming out of the back of the vehicle. Got the Mercedes-Benz C300 and 4MATIC badging in a power opening and closing trunk. This vehicle is equipped with the premium Burmester sound system throughout. And rear seats. Another look at the sunroof here. And a quick peek up at the front of the vehicle. And we do have heated memory seats for both the driver and passenger side. The driver's seat controls here. Driver door controls. Driver seat, steering wheel. Let's go ahead and hop inside the vehicle. The mileage is currently at 39,529, and we have a push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz radio, navigation system, backup camera. And climate control here. And center console. And Mercedes-Benz shifter. Now, if you'd like to see any photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmanimports.com.